there. Today I want to talk about the Site Health tool in WordPress. Now, if you're not already familiar with it, this is a really handy little feature already baked into the default WordPress installation that can help you keep your site running smoothly. There are a couple of different ways to get to the Site Health tool from your WordPress dashboard. You may have a shortcut here that provides a direct link to the Site Health screen, or you can go down to Tools and click Site Health, and that will take you to this screen. So the first thing you'll see is what your site health is. This one is good. You'll see two tabs. One says Status and the other says Info. Now the Status tab gives you general information about the health of your site. You will see issues listed here. You may see some in red. Those are critical issues which should be taken care of right away. But most likely you're going to see recommended improvements. They'll list each one. You can click on it to see how to address that particular issue. If you'd like, you can click on Past Tests. This will show you all of the other tests that were conducted on your site that passed. The second tab is Info. Now, the Info tab will give you more detailed information about your particular WordPress website's installation and configuration. Things like what version of WordPress you're on, the size of the different directories, what theme you're using, etc. This is really useful information if you have a more complex issue that you're trying to solve, or maybe your host is helping you with, or maybe a third party is working on it for you. You can also copy all of the site information to your clipboard. If you were to ever submit a help desk ticket to Andy Sites, for example, we may ask you to do this just so that we can get a little more context into how your particular WordPress website is set up. One thing to keep in mind is that the Site Health tool is not a substitute for regular site maintenance and security checks. You still need to do those. It's just one tool in the arsenal for keeping your site running smoothly. So there you have it. That's a quick overview of the Site Health tool in WordPress. If you haven't checked it out, I highly recommend giving it a look. It's a really great way to stay on top of your site's health and performance. Thanks for watching, and as always, join us again or subscribe for more super fast WordPress tips. Thanks.